If you're a holistic health coach, you've probably felt this tension. You want to help more people. You want better consistency for your clients. But you don't want to live session to session or burn out doing it. That's the ceiling of one-on-one work. One-on-one coaching is powerful, but it doesn't scale well. Every client depends on your time, your energy, and your presence. When you step away, the system pauses. Scaling doesn't mean working harder. It means building systems that continue working between sessions. That's where structure changes everything. For years, I've used a simple wellness test scanner inside a structured system to measure nutritional status and support clearer conversations. Not to diagnose, not to treat, but to give clients feedback they can understand and act on. What matters isn't the tool, it's the system around it. When clients can see direction, they stay engaged. When they know they'll check in again, their daily habits improve. When progress is visible, consistency follows. That's how you support clients without adding more appointments. Another important shift happens here. Once clients understand their results, they naturally ask, "What can I do to improve this? How do I stay on track between sessions?" Without a system, coaches end up improvising. Different suggestions, different products, different advice every time. That creates confusion and inconsistency. A structured system solves that. Instead of guessing, clients have a clear framework. Some choose to use the same tools at home so they can stay engaged, monitor trends over time, and involve family members. That's optional, but for the right people, it increases accountability and follow-through. When done correctly, this doesn't feel like selling. It feels like support. Practices that operate this way often see steadier engagement, stronger retention, and recurring participation. The residual income isn't the goal, it's the result of continuity. What's different now is access. At the moment, I have a limited number of purchase codes that allow early access to this wellness test scanner before broader availability. This pre-launch window matters because early access gives practitioners time to learn the system, integrate it properly, and build with intention. This isn't about urgency or hype. It's about positioning. Some practitioners also appreciate the business structure this creates. I'm not a tax professional, and everyone should consult their own advisor. But operating a legitimate wellness-based system can create options that traditional one-on-one models don't. The key point is this: scaling doesn't mean doing more. It means designing better systems. This approach doesn't replace your coaching, your intuition, or your client relationships. It supports them and allows you to help more people over more years without burning out. If you're thinking long-term about your practice, this conversation matters. We don't push harder. We build smarter. Push with purpose. Build with proof. That's the vital edge.